Get your stuff, put it in your backpack, and start walking up and down the block. Let me see your ID or are you going to handcuffs?
These are our neighborhoods. My doctorate degree says that I'm educated. My Juris Doctorate. Jesus was arrested by cops and crucified by the government.
We're just doing our job.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Today's story features Hawk Newsome. In June of 2020, then US President Donald Trump described Newsome in a tweet as a Black Lives Matter leader. This prompted a response from the director of the BLM Global Network Foundation, who stated that Newsome has no relation to the Black Lives Matter Global Network. Hawk responded by questioning the BLM co-founder's purchase of 4 properties worth $3.2 million, all while claiming to be a socialist. Hawk is a high school dropout, but not for a lack of talent. He went on to work as a paralegal and as a project manager for a law firm before attending law school himself. He ran for city council and works with high school and college students to help educate them on the behaviors of modern law enforcement. During 2 separate protests in 2017 and 2018, he was attacked and arrested by officers of the New York Police Department. All of his charges have been dropped and he is currently suing the department for civil rights violations, emotional distress, false imprisonment, and false arrest damages. It'll be interesting to hear from the comment section in this one, as we have a diverse crowd with many varying opinions. And while I'm curious how you might feel about Hawk, this story is in regard to an incident he had in 2019. Hawk was on a public sidewalk in the Bronx, using his tablet when his video begins. Multiple uniformed and plainclothes officers just arrived on scene.
We don't want to drink out in the street anymore? We don't want to drink out in the street?
I don't drink. I'm 3.5 years sober.
You're 3.5 years sober?
3.5 years sober.
Okay, so why do we have an attitude?
Because you keep riding through here, staring at me. I asked you if you have a problem.
It's my job to address conditions in this precinct. Drinking, congregating on the sidewalk.
I'm not drinking. I'm standing here in front of an iPad, not bothering anyone.
It doesn't matter. You can stand in front of an iPad, but you can't drink out here.
I don't drink. What part of 3.5 years sober don't you understand?
I didn't say you were drinking. I'm saying the group you're with was drinking.
I don't see anybody drinking.
Okay.
I don't see anybody drinking. I don't see nobody drinking.
You're lying.
There's one right there. There's one over there.
About what happened out here
Made it hot
yesterday.
for all your friends that were drinking.
I don't speak that language. Speak to me.
So like I just told you, that's why we're here right now.
So that's why you're here.
Because everybody's drinking.
Right, so now you can get in your car and leave me alone.
Nah, I'm going to hang out right here for a little bit.
Do whatever you want to do.
Okay, good.
Can I see your badge and your ID?
Yep, in fact, it's time to go. You can't congregate on the sidewalk.
I can't congregate on the sidewalk.
Yep.
I can't stand here on the sidewalk. So
Actually, no, you cannot stand by the sidewalk and set it up like it's your living room.
This is not my living room.
I know. So you need to get your stuff off of here, and you need to keep it moving.
I can walk up and down this block all night.
You can.
You
can walk up and down, but you're not. You're standing here.
Okay.
You're not walking up and down.
Walk.
So get your stuff, put it in your backpack, and start walking up and down the block.
It's just nothing.
Okay?
It's just people flexing for no reason. That's it, for no reason.
Nah, it's nothing to flex about.
Neighborhood,
okay?
Where I live.
So get your stuff and put it in your laptop, and then you can go.
You can't congregate in the block.
I'm not congregating. I'm sitting down talking to someone.
So
you're
get your stuff.
It's time for you to leave.
I'll get my stuff. Can I see
do it
your
right
ID?
now.
Can I see your ID?
You're gonna see my ID.
Yeah, I'd love to see your ID.
Okay?
I'd love to see all of your IDs.
Put it inside.
Okay. Sir, let me see your ID.
In 1976, New York passed a series of loitering laws that prohibited wandering in a public place, repeatedly stopping, repeatedly attempting to engage passers-by in a conversation, or repeatedly stopping or attempting to stop motor vehicles. Those new laws led to arbitrary and discriminatory enforcement, which in turn led to a class action lawsuit from victims who were charged for standing outside, often in front of their own homes or while walking to the subway. In 2018, the laws were deemed unnecessary and duplicative, and a section of the penal law was repealed, which led to over 800 cases being dismissed in 2021. New York's current loitering laws cover anyone who remains in a public place for the purpose of gambling, drug use, or prostitution, or near any school or transportation facility. However, the laws remain to be quite vague, and arguably unconstitutional. This is quite obvious, as it is being used to force Hawk to walk up and down the street to avoid being cited.
Can I see your ID,
something
please?
and we need your
That's
ID.
not mine. It's not mine.
Okay, then we need your ID.
I'd like to see your ID.
You're gonna have it on your summons.
work like that.
I would like to see, for
Okay.
what?
I
For
just
what?
told you.
For what?
For refusing to move when you're congregating on the sidewalk. You're blocking the sidewalk. Literally, it's not a debate.
You gonna
Let me
give
see
me
your
a
ID.
summons.
Let me see your ID or are you going to
That's
handcuffs? Let me see your ID or going in handcuffs.
Wait a fucking minute and you'll see my ID.
Let me see your ID.
Wait a minute and
Going
you'll
in
see my
handcuffs.
ID.
I already asked you 3
Nobody
times.
cares. Nobody
Already asked you
cares
3
about your
times.
threats. I was locked up on Monday for
That's not
shutting
a
down the
threat.
FDR. Nobody cares.
I don't care what
Nobody
you
cares.
do.
You
I
do
don't
not
care
scare
what
me.
you do.
You do not scare me. This is my neighborhood. My neighborhood. So write your ticket. Do whatever you do. Have fun. Have fun.
We're not
You don't
having
move
fun.
me.
We're just doing
Have
our
fun.
job.
Doing your job. Riding up and down this block, staring at people. Staring at people. Write your ticket.
Are we
Write
gonna
your
write
ticket. Write
Yeah, we're
your
gonna
ticket.
96 them.
Write your ticket. Write your ticket. Write your ticket.
We're gonna write your ticket.
Thank you.
You're gonna get one. Don't worry
Thank you.
about
I
it.
appreciate it. Right too. 3.
Nah, we're just gonna write you one.
4.
Nah, we're just gonna write you
I
one.
really don't care.
How's that?
I really don't care.
You're fine with one?
That's what the problem is. Nobody's scared to go to jail. Nobody gives a fuck about them or their presence. These are our neighborhoods. These are our neighborhoods. We've been here forever. Forever. Write me a ticket.
Forever, huh?
Write me a ticket.
Forever.
Write me. I knew him since I was a kid. Right? Yeah. These are our neighborhoods. Yeah, it happens. Where you from? Where'd you grow up? Where'd you grow up? Where? Nobody got shot in your neighborhood? You never knew anybody who got shot? Stop it. You think you one of these white boys? You not. When they catch you without your badge and your gun, they can't see it. They're gonna shoot you like they shot the cop up in motherfucking White Castle.
You're
a
racist,
black
man.
hero.
You're a racist.
A racist to who?
You're a
I
racist.
cannot be racist.
You're a racist.
I don't have the power to be racist.
You're a hypocritical.
I do not have the
You're a
power to be
hypocritical
racist.
racist.
How?
You're a hypocritical
How?
racist.
How?
You just judged
How?
him by the color of his skin.
I asked him where he was from.
You just said-
you're
you
not
just
smart
said-
enough
you
to
just said
talk
that
to
he's
me.
not one of these
You're
white
not smart
boys.
enough to make the.
You just
yeah, he
judged him
thinks
by the
he's
color
one of
of his
these white
skin.
boys.
You're a
He
racist.
thinks he's one of
You're
these
an
white boys. He
uneducated,
does. No, my
ultra-aggressive
doctorate
racist.
degree says that I'm educated.
What?
That's what my doctorate degree
Dr.
says.
Doolittle,
My
right?
juris
Dr.
doctorate,
Doolittle.
my
Yeah.
juris doctorate, and my business degree say that I'm educated. So write the ticket.
add more
Why are you
degrees?
wasting my
You wanna add
time?
more?
Why are you wasting my time? If I was racist, I'd call you a. Yeah, I just did it. I just did it. Yeah, I'll be that. I'll be that. You treat me like a I'll call you a How about that? How about that? How about that? Can't stand out here and talk to people? Are you kidding me? All this. One man. All this. All this. All this. For what? For what? All this for what? For one man with a mouth. Now you see why they kill civil rights leaders. That's why. Look at this. Look at this. Go ahead. Circle around. I am not breaking any laws. I am not breaking any laws. That's not disorderly conduct. I can raise my voice. I can raise my voice. You better check the Constitution, smart guy. You better check the Constitution. Check your Constitution. Check your Constitution. Right here. Right here. And they'll do the same shit to you. You should call SRG, Taru, and Legal and ask them who I am. It's above your pay grade. You're the clown.
The unidentified cop now takes Hawk's ID to write his citation for standing on a public sidewalk.
Hey, take out your phone and record.
Yo, just stand there. You're getting a summons. You're not walking around.
Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Why are you touching me? Why are you touching me? Why are you touching me?
Don't move. Don't start walking around.
Let's go.
You're a sellout.
Ah, yeah.
You know who calls me?
Who calls
you know
you?
who calls me?
Who calls you?
Cops call me to talk
Who?
about how racist this piece of system is. That's what I get in my inbox. Cops complaining about other cops. Like, oh, I know you're right. Why don't you stand up and do something about it? You're surrounded by these white boys. You'll never get promoted. They'll get promoted. You'll never get promoted. All this for one man. For one man. I'll be that. You treat me like a I'll call you a How about that? You treat me like a I'll call you a Take that.
Damn.
Here you go,
All
sir.
that size, you should have did something better with your life. I was an All-American.
You can put this on the wall
was
with
an
your
All-American.
what, three
All-American.
documents? With your three documents?
No. I got you know what the other one I could put it next to? The one where
put it
they were
next to
taking my
three
bullhorn and I said,
documents.
fuck the police.
Put it next to your
And I
three
say that
documents.
proudly,
Okay.
surrounded. Fuck the police. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart.
Here, Walter.
All-American. My name is Hawk Newsome. Yeah, I was an All-American.
Here, Walter.
College paid for. Doctorate degree. With money.
And now you're on Sherman.
Here you go.
Now I'm on Sherman. I'm still here.
There you go.
And I got an apartment on the Upper West Side. I'm
Walter,
above you socioeconomically. I'm above you.
Walter. Here you
What?
go.
Thank you.
Okay?
Thank you. Now beat it. Get out of here.
Okay, you gotta go.
knows you. I'm
You gotta
walking.
go.
Oh, get the f- out of my way.
So go. Go ahead. Go.
12. I'll be back. I will be back. And they brought this little coconut out here with them. Jack off.
Beat it. All right. See you, Walter.
Fucking jack off. No, nothing. Nothing. What? All of you. Don't worry. All of you.
We love you too.
And this ticket. All of you. And this ticket.
We love you. Hope you can afford it.
Oh, I can. I can. Check my credentials. Check my credentials. Jesus. You want to talk about Jesus? Jesus was arrested by cops and crucified by the government. It was pigs like you that killed Jesus. Don't talk to me about Jesus.
Hawk continues to record as he paces up the street to make his presence lawful. When I reached out to Hawk for permission to use his recording, he did not specify whether he fought the citation, but given his history and Juris Doctorate, I find it highly unlikely that he would have rolled over on this one. Now, whether you agree with Hawk's core beliefs or not, there's no denying the existence of a massive problem within the institutions of law enforcement and the so-called justice system. Having laws preventing otherwise law-abiding citizens from standing on a sidewalk is goofy enough. But without the enforcement arm, filled with people who will carry out the order to cite an individual for standing still, the penal law would be meaningless. Let me know what you think of this interaction in the comment section. Hawk's social media pages will be linked in the description and pinned comment. If you head over there, be sure to let him know that I sent you. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, LackLuster Limited for criminal psychology content, and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel, and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.